Hi, I'm Terry Nelson, Whitefish Lake Golf Course. As we move later into our season, this into September's proven to be a really busy season for whitefish, and I think most of the valley. Golf is at its finest in the Flathead Valley. The conditions are absolutely excellent. Good warm days, cool nights, and I think September has shown us to be about as busy as June typically. And special events that we have coming up in Whitefish, we have a special Pro-Am that will take place in the middle of the month in September on the 16th and 17th. And also we have some special events in the restaurant. Next week in the restaurant we have a wine tasting event featuring Australian wines. And for information on that, it's a ticketed event. We need to contact the restaurant and get a reservation for that particular event. I think September golf in the Flathead Valley is just as good as it gets.